Hi guys, this is Jaswinder Singh. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. Sorry guys, I was away from YouTube for a while because I was preparing with my friends in Kandla for my second mates exam. But then we received a notice about the GMDSS course that has resumed. So I'm traveling with my friend to Kolkata to attend the same course. It was quite a tiring day for us because we were traveling by bus since morning, but now finally we are heading towards our aircraft. GMDSS is basically a 12-day course followed by 3 days of examination, and the examination is divided into two parts. Part 1 is written. In the written examination there will be two sections. Section A will be MCQ. There will be 30 MCQ of 1 mark each, and section B will be descriptive type, and it will also be of 30 marks. So a total of 60 marks paper, and the passing marks are 36 with 15 marks in each section. The second part of the examination will consist of 4 exams. The first exam will be RT log, in which your communication ability and simultaneously logging down the distress communication will be tested, and it will be of 30 marks. Then your second exam will be of SSV oral, and it will be conducted by an examiner from MOC, that is Ministry of Communication, and it will be of 20 marks. And next will be the INMASAT examination along with oral of INMASAT, and it will be of 30 marks. And the final will be DSC practical along with DSC oral. So this is the main examination that you should focus on, and this will be of 20 marks, and it will be conducted by the surveyors from MMD. And after passing in the part 1 and part 2 of the examination, you will receive a provisional GOC license that you need to convert into hard copy. The fees is 22,500 rupees, and then you'll have to pay 500 more for Bharat Kosh, and then there is an examination fees of 2200. Then finally you will have to give 1050 rupees for COVID test. And once you clear your exam, and then for applying for hard copy of your GOC, you need to pay further 5,000 or 10,000 rupees depending upon the tenure you want. So 5,000 is basically for 20 years validity, and 10,000 for lifetime. The good thing about the institute is that the lunch is provided for 12 days of classes, and moreover the passing rate of this institute is quite good. So guys, I'm really happy to tell you guys that I've cleared my GOC exam. So now I'm one step closer to becoming an officer, and now the only thing left is the COC exams, basically the 3 orals. So this feeling is no less than of an achievement. And now I'll be heading towards Kandla to appear for my signal exam that will be conducted on 9th of September, and then in the next month I will be appearing for my orals. So let's hope for the best. I'm in Kolkata and I'm carrying a lot of good memories from here, and hopefully I will come here soon. I really hope that you like the vlog. This is Jaswinder Singh signing off. Take care guys.
गिर जाएगा